2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're going over some classic Concrete Blonde, Joey. Wonderful song. And not very hard at all. We only got 4 chords. Let's get to it. Standard tuning. We got a G major. 1, 2, 3. We got E minor. We got C major. And we got D major. So, actually the intro, when they start playing the song, before she starts singing, they go play G to G sus. So from G, you do this. Lift this finger up. Add your first finger on the first fret B string. G major, E minor, C major, D major, G major, E minor, C. I'm doing a lot of muting here, first part of the verse. Now we can open up. We're going to go to C, D, and E minor. This is the chorus. Then C, D, and G. Hang on the G. Do the G sus there. Back to verse. Only doing downstrokes here. E minor, C, D major. Open up and start strumming. Down, 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 down. There's the chorus. That big guitar solo over the same chords as the verse. Cool. That's the whole song. That's all the chords we need. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with more classic songs. Be safe. Thank you.